Welcome to the Leading Site News, the news channel portal that brings you the most authentic and transparent broadcasting from the hills of Karbi Anglong. This is our motto and our mission. We are committed to delivering the truth to you. We broadcast in both English and Karbi, the languages of the world and the region. We share ideas and information that matter to you and connect you with people from every corner of the hill districts. Don't miss the Leading Site News, the ultimate source of news from the hills. It's coming soon.